Hello dear friends. Welcome to our channel Mori Studio. Today our topic is Chat GPT, AI which has created hype in the last months. But, now the world is against Chat GPT. Italy is the first European country to block Chat GPT over private concern. Let's start the video. Regulators in Italy issued a temporary ban on Chat GPT Friday, effective immediately, due to privacy concerns, and said they had opened an investigation into how OpenAI, Italy's data protection agency, said users lacked information about the collection of their data and that a breach at Chat GPT had been reported on March 20th. There appears to be no legal basis underpinning the massive collection and processing of personal data in order to train the algorithms on which the platform relies, the agency said. The Italian regulator also expressed concerns over the lack of age verification for Chat GPT users. Exposes children to receiving responses that are absolutely inappropriate for their age and awareness. The platform is supposed to be for users older than 13, it noted. The data protection agency said OpenAI would be barred from processing the data of Italian users until it respects the privacy regulation. Thanks for watching. Please give your valuable suggestion on the topic in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.